Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Great Holden, local and long-distance movers near me. The best local moving company in Holden, Massachusetts is 3 Movers because of our top-notch customer service, reasonable prices, and careful attention to every last detail. We have been providing community service for many years as a family-run business. 3 Movers is dedicated to working with clients' budgets and providing top-notch moving services. One of the many noteworthy characteristics of Holden, Massachusetts residents is their commitment to the community. They participate in local organizations and community charities such as the Wachusett Greenways and the Holden Food Pantry. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Holden moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.